In this video, I will share to you about how to make a wood bench with side armrest. And okay, then let's begin the tutorial. We have to make the basic shape using the rotate rectangle, and we can click this origin, and we can set the depth of this bench around 500 millimeter. Enter, and then we can drag about the length of this building around 1.2 meter, and enter. Then we can click this surface and push pull around 40 millimeter and enter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and make group and make component, create. And now we can set the materials with using materials tools. Okay, then we can set the support of this bench with using rotate rectangle. We can click from this edge and set the depth around 50 millimeter, enter. Then we can set the height of this support 40 millimeter. Okay, then we can click the surface and select push pull and click the push on the face. Then we can move it up around 450 millimeter, enter. And we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then we can assign the materials. Then we can select a move, tap control, and place to the another position. Okay, then we can move this board to the top, or we can make the frame first with using the we can using the rotate rectangle and click from this endpoint until this position around 50 millimeter, enter. Then we can type 50, enter, and we can type 30 millimeter, enter, for the height of this horizontal beam. Then we can select a push pull, click the surface and place to this position, triple click, make component, create, and we can assign the material and place to this position. Then we can rotate this one around 90 degree with using rotate tool. Click this point, tap control, click this edge and type 90 degree and enter. Then we can select move and place to this position. Then we can right click and make unique. Okay, then we can push it until this position. Then we can select this support, select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can click this board and select move, click this point and place to this point. Then we can select both of this frame, right click and make unique, triple click, and then we can push it up around 500 or around 300 millimeter. Okay, and also this one we can push it up. Okay, then we can make the additional support in here with using move, tap control, click this corner, place to this corner. Okay, then we can click this one and select this surface, select push pull, click this surface and place to this position. Okay, then we can select this frame, select move, tap control and place to this position. Okay, this is about the simple bench, and I will show the dimension. Okay, this is the depth of this bench and this is the height of this bench. Okay, so you can see about this, and now we can erase it all. Okay, then we can activate the shadow. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.